Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into Contract Miner. Now once again, I know we made a video about 5 days ago on this program, but the developer has thrown in some updates which is going to make completing the winter event so much easier for you guys, and I really wanted to bring your attention to it. So keep watching. Okay, so here we are in my account. Now, overall, not a lot has happened with my account. I think we might be a bit closer to level 53. That is about it. But the winter event. Now, I always give this guy credit because he is always trying to bring new things to his site and making that member experience better and better. And he has done it once again. Now if we drop into the winter event, you'll see the last time we were in here I was about 50% of the way through the second page. Now I know I'm running out of time, guys, so I'm trying to work on this as much as I can, as well as do all the other programs that we're using. But anyway, we have made progress. Obviously this is the first page. This is the second page. We are through it. We have claimed our winter spring poster, which gives us a 5% bonus on our coin flip wins. Now, what does this mean? Simply means that basically when you win on the coin flip, rather than 120, 120 RP or 120 coins, I can't remember which it is. Let's just have a quick look. Flip. And we'll just wait for this. Okay, flip that. Reward points. So you'll see there, it used to be 120, it's now 126 RP because we've got that 5% bonus from the poster. If you guys, any of you guys have claimed this yet and you're not quite sure how to set it up, basically all you do is you come into here, you go to property, and then you click customize, and then in here, in this space here, it will it will show you your poster, and then it'll ask you what slot do you want to put that in. And if we go into here, you'll see there is 3 slots. I basically just put it straight in the first slot because it just seemed the easiest thing to do. So you'll see there it is added, therefore that every coin flip game I get that extra 5% bonus. Now, like I say, that is just one of the things you can win in the event, but what I'm talking about is actually something he has added that we are doing all the time as well, and you can earn from that. So anyway, this is the second page we've completed, and we are on to the third part, or like the third thing to claim in the third page. So in just a few days we've done, you know, like half a page between that the second page and this one. We've done about half a page worth of stuff, and like I say, I am pushing this as hard as I can to claim everything in the next 50 days. Okay, so what has the developer put into the page or into the site to make claiming all these prizes even easier? Now, basically what it is, if you come in here, there was I think there was like 2 boxes. One was for claiming PTC ads. The other one was for claiming doing games. Well, if we go in there now, there is now more than what there was. So also as well is, I don't know if you guys noticed this, it does have a scroll, so you are not just completing 3 things, you are completing 4. So make sure that you are claiming all of this. So this is for PTC ads, this is for games. Now, this is the new stuff that's been added, daily claims. So what that is basically whenever you come into your account, you get given a daily bonus, which is something like, on my account, it's something like 3,846 is what I get. And every time I claim that, that adds a claim to this page. Also as well, mining cycles. This is stuff we are doing anyway. And basically, as long as you keep your miners running, so make sure you are topping up the power in the morning. Make sure you are topping up their power just before you go to bed. If you are doing a full amount of power, it should carry you through that time to then top up again in the morning. If you keep that rolling, that's going to keep these cycles increasing. You're going to get 300 AP from that. Obviously, this is for veterans only, but the bottom one is for free players. You're going to get 1,500 AP or activity points from doing that, and all you've got to do is keep that miner running. And same with this is daily claims. Just keep coming in and claiming that daily bonus every single day, and you are going to get, obviously, again, this is for the veteran, one in the middle, but the one at the bottom, another 500 AP activity points. That is all going to go towards your spring or winter spring event, and that's going to help you push through a lot of these levels really, not super fast, because obviously it's over a course of time, but as long as you keep working at the event yourself, then when you get those bonuses, that's going to start helping you leapfrog some of the levels. So like when I claimed this, which one did I claim? I claimed this 350 AP yesterday, right? Well, you only require 300 activity points per level. So claiming that actually allowed me to jump over an entire level and give me a 50 AP sort of bonus on top of that for the next level. So you guys, anyone doing this winter event, just basically, obviously, and this is why I really like what this developer does. They don't go out of their way to try and make you do stuff you're not already doing a lot of the times. Like with these tasks and stuff like that, like you're mining, you're already doing it anyway. You're logging in, you're already doing it anyway. You're playing the RP games, you're already doing it anyway. Doing the PTC ads, you're doing it anyway. But you are getting bonus after bonus after bonus for doing those simple things. It's not like other platforms where they're saying, oh, you've got to go and do this or you've got to go and do that, which is something you would never normally do. But if you want to get those bonuses, you've got to do it. But on this site, you are being rewarded for stuff you are doing anyway. And that is why I really wanted to bring this to you, to make sure that you are aware of this and you take full advantage. Okay, so, and one final thing before I leave you is that the developer of Contract Miner is going to be releasing a mini event in the very near future. Basically, I've been told by the developer it's probably only going to last a couple of weeks, but once again, to take part in this mini event, you have not got to do anything special. You are simply going to be clicking on PTC ads. Again, you're going to be rewarded for having your miner running and also playing games. You're probably going to be looking to complete the event, maybe around about 200 of those games to complete it. And that is it. But that is you're gonna get some good rewards from that. Like I say, it's only gonna last about 2 weeks. So you obviously come on the site, put the work in, and you are gonna get some extra rewards. And don't forget, all those things are gonna go towards the winter event as well. Short and sweet. I really, really would like you to give me a big thumbs up for this. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you can, smash that like button. It really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.